Understanding entry and exit in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrases entry and exit. These are common terms you'll encounter in various contexts, and understanding them is key to mastering English. Let's dive in and demystify these phrases together. The word entry refers to the act of going into a place or joining a particular situation or activity. It's often used in contexts like entering a room, joining a competition, or becoming part of a group. For example, the entry to the museum is on the left side. Conversely, exit means to leave a place or situation. It can also refer to a way out, like a door or a road leading out of a place. A common usage is in safety instructions, like, the emergency exit is at the rear of the airplane. Both entry and exit can be used in various contexts. Physical spaces, referring to entering or leaving rooms, buildings, or cities. Competitions and events, joining or leaving a contest or an event. Digital platforms, signing in or out of online accounts or websites. Understanding the context is crucial for using these terms correctly. There are many idioms and phrases using entry and exit, such as making an entry, arriving in a noticeable way. Exit strategy, a plan to leave a situation safely or advantageously. These expressions add flavor to the language and are fun to use in everyday conversations. I hope this video clarifies the meaning and usage of entry and exit. Remember, the context often dictates their meaning. Keep practicing, and you'll be using these terms like a native in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.